guys, today I am representing you the most in demand software, apartments management system. If you have multiple apartments or multiple buildings, then this is the best software for you. So let's continue and view the main dashboard. Let me tell you one thing, it has many admin panels like tenant, employee, owner, admin, super admin panel. So let's visit super admin panel first for Golden Tower as a demo purpose. So let's log in. So guys, this is the main dashboard of the software. It is a demo version of our software. It is for Golden Tower, for example, whatever your building name. So how much units you have, how much system you have, it can manage each and everything related to apartments. So it is a complete apartment management system. You can see the front end here, all the gadgets here. So these are the gadgets, you can customize them all. Total maintenance, total rent coming, total committee, owner utility, total fund, and the statics, and the option in the left side, floor information, floor list at floors, unit information, owner information. This is the main features. These are the main features of this dashboard or this software. I cannot cover each and everything in detail because I don't want to make this video long, as I already have said in my all videos that I'm not making this video too long for you guys as well as me, because I cannot cover each and everything. The video will be too much long if I cover each and everything. So guys, if you want to know anything more or you want this software, feel free to contact us. So let me cover some features. Tenant information, mean tenant list, tenant, add tenant, employee information. If you have employee that are managing your software, that are managing each and everything. If you are not managing, employee salary, employee leave request, they will have their own dashboard. So you can access the features, or you can access them by this dashboard, or and you can assign the features to the employees. For example, some features you will not want to assign to the employees, so you can remove that features that employee will never see the feature, like tenant information, owner information. So this is the option of rent collection, as you can see, owner utility, maintenance cost, management committee, apartment fund, bill deposit, complaints, visitor, meetings, notice board, email alert, reports, database, and setting. These are the website option. So this is the main software. It is the dashboard, and basic feature I already have covered. So if you want to know anything more, feel free to contact us. We are here to assist you. We also have more applications related to more categories like e-commerce, like Food Panda and Zameen.com. So feel free to contact us. We provide every solution related to information technology.